Black insect larvae. Larval implantation. 24 hours after inoculation, the larvae absorb the cactus sap and develop over the course of several months. The color red under the microscope. When the layer of waxy powder covers the insect's entire body, and the insect appears plump and firm, the cochineal has reached maturity. The history of blush application. Drying. Adding acid after boiling the insect powder helps better preserve the color. Heat to evaporate the water. Cook until the mixture thickens, then let it cool. Grind into a powder. Camellia oil, beeswax and white insects. Continue stirring for 15 minutes until the color becomes bright.